everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for a Fidelity investment account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in fidelity.com. Soon after you do that, press enter and you'll end up in the official website for Fidelity. Accept to the terms and conditions of Fidelity International by clicking on I accept and you will be taken to fidelity.com homepage. Now, you can go ahead and create a new account and sign up. Click on this open an account button and select an account type you would like to sign up with. Once you click on the open now button, it'll take you to a new page where you can go ahead and follow the prompts. Select if you already are a Fidelity customer, go through the information and then click next. On the next page, you will need to enter some of your details. Start off by typing in your first name, middle name, and then your last name. Now, on the next field, enter your social security number. Select your date of birth from the drop-down and select your country of citizenship from the list. Now enter a valid mobile number and enter an email. Select your address, enter your address information right under where do you live. After filling in all of your address information in the correct text boxes, click next and follow through the prompts. Once you have all of your credentials and information correct, you will be able to sign up for a Fidelity investment. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.